Hi there, I am Roshan and welcome to Programming Portal. In today's video, we are going to write a program to find the number of times an element has occurred in a given list. Suppose we have a list of integers and we need to find number of times 3 has occurred in a given list. Then our function should return output as 2. Let's see what all steps we need. We will follow each step and generate the output. As you can see, there are 5 steps I have mentioned here. So let's move to Python. First we'll create a Python file. Let's save this file as count occurrence. There are multiple ways to achieve this. We will see the inbuilt count method of list and for loop logic in this video. Let's declare a list and a variable with some values in it. So what we need? We need one list with certain values 7, 2, 3, and search variable. Here we will search how many times 3 has been occurred in a list. We will define a function with 2 parameters, list and number, and it should return us with count. So let's define it. It will have 2 parameters, list and a number. If you want, you can avoid writing separate function and write logic directly. Let's declare one more variable as count and its value set to be 0. Next we need one for loop to iterate over the list and match its element using if condition. So let's write it. For I in list, we will write one if condition here. If I equal to number, if this condition is satisfied, we will increment the count value by 1. And finally, we will return the count output. Next step is to call our function with parameters. And I am going to store the result in result variable. So result equal to search occurrence, and I'm going to pass the list and search variable, and we'll print the result value. So let's write it. Count is result. Suppose that if element is not found in the list, accordingly we'll change the output. So let's write one more if condition here. If result is greater than 0, then we'll write this output. Else we'll give one message, element not found in the list. Let's save it and run this. Count is 2. As you can see, 3 is present 2 times in the list. Let's try with 1 and rerun this. So count is 1. If the element is not present, so let's see 6. Element not found in the list. Now let's see inbuilt count function of list. So we'll just write one statement using inbuilt function, and the function is list dot count method, and we have to just pass the parameter search. So this will also give us the output. Let's try with 3 and let's rerun. As you can see, using inbuilt function also gives us the correct output. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment and hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. See you next time.